Okay, so hey guys, we are starting with our vlog and today a new day, new destination, and right now I am at Vande Bharat. From here we'll go to Ujjain and from Ujjain to our destination. The destination you'll get to know in further video, but as you must have seen the thumbnail, yes, we are going to Jaipur and Udaipur as well. So let's start the journey, and we got our high tea, I would say. I'll just show you what we got. We have here kachori, we have one tea mix, then gatia, one chakki, and one fruity. So yeah, this is just the high tea, I would say. Have dinner, like it has dahi, it has aloo, paneer, rice, and dal, and roti. We also got this ice cream for dessert. We reached Jaipur, guys. This is 8:20 right now. So hey guys, we have arrived at the hotel, and it's like a homestay. Okay, so I'll just check in, and maybe today's plans are a little bit changed. I'll let you know in the coming video. We are getting ready. It's like maybe what 10:24. So we're ready. Okay, then we'll go out. This is, I guess, the back gate of the Hawa Mahal. We have finally reached, and we're gonna go inside. Maybe first the back gate, and then we're gonna go it from the front. I'll show you that.
It was the art gallery behind the Hawa Mahal wala place where all the different students set up their artwork based on Rajasthan. Further, I'll just share some clips behind the Hawa Mahal. This is how it looks in the day, but at the night it looks just so beautiful.
At the front gate of Hawa Mahal, and this is behind me. It's just so beautiful.
Next, we arrived at the City Palace of Jaipur, which is owned by the great grandson of Maharaja Man Singh II. We were inside of the museum.
In the City Palace, and there are multiple things kept here. So there's the Sabha Fort and all the thrones kept there, and the chandelier that were used at that time, I would say. And there are some paintings, and then there are different royal wedding dresses and other things as well, which I'll show you in coming video.
I love embracing the architecture, and Jaipur had the best of it. There were many things kept like swords and different wedding wear of Rajas and Maharanis.
This is the inside view of City Palace, where there's this museum, and then there's this gate. Inside may be a court. Let's go inside and just explore it out.
City Palace was huge with a museum and some various other spots as well, which we covered. Every spot had its own beauty. I would say there were loads of tourists, but it was yet so beautiful. For my first day in Rajasthan, I wore a simple kurti, jeans, and my handmade bag, which I made myself, and a simple choker necklace, which made the fit. As I told, City Palace offered various spots. This was the entry towards a place where it was the museum of various fabrics, or can say textiles, worn back in time by the Maharajas and queens. I would say the weather here in the day was a little bit sunny, and at night the temperature dropped.
This is basically the Mubarak Mahal. First it was the guest house of the royal family, and now it's basically the fabric display. Okay, so I'll show you some textile display. I'll show you in between. I love this chest. I really want to buy it, but it's made up of pure marble, I would say. It's so beautiful. These are the royal poshak, I would say. worn by kings and queens, and the real gold embroidery work is done on them. It's evening around like 4:30 or 5, and we are heading to Birla Mandir right now. So yeah, it's there behind me. I'll show you if the camera is allowed, but it's just so beautiful. We arrived here at Birla Mandir, and this is so beautiful. Is the temple of Lakshmi Narayan inside the idol, and it's really beautiful, I must say, and you should add this on your list as it's really beautiful. It reminds me of like Prem Mandir that we visited last year at Vrindavan. It's just so beautiful. You'll get so positive energy, and I bet you won't regret coming here. This is just outside of it, maybe a fort or something, but then it's beautiful. Oh gosh, can you see? There are peacocks, female peacock up there. We arrived at Sokhidhani and we have dinner here today, so let's just go inside. I'm very tired, but inside this cave, I don't know what there is, but then yeah, let's just go inside. Artificial pond. Okay, we are doing Bhool Bhulaiya. I don't know where we started and where we gonna end. Oh, okay, gosh. Okay, we made out. I was so scared. We have this thali in which there's kadhi, masala bati, okay, dal, then aloo pyaza, then dal bati churma, chana, लहसुन की चटनी, green chutney, pickle, halwa, then papad as well, and kadhi also. So yeah, it's like a mixture.
Sokhidhani is an artificial village. You have loads of activities inside, and a whole village is set up inside. You have cultural shows, cultural dances, camel rides, elephant rides, and loads of activities to do. Price ticket was little high because of the season, but then every penny was worth it. It was our day 1. Come back for our day 2 in Jaipur.